Hi friends, in this lecture we will be studying how to color a transparent flower using the Blob brush tool. So the first thing which we will do is we will click on create new. After we have clicked on create new, we'll give the dimensions as 500 pixels by 500 pixels and then click on create. After the file is open before us, then we'll click on file and select place. After that, we'll go into the desktop, into the exercise files folders which is already provided to you, and go into section 4 lecture 2 blob brush project and open the file transparent flower and click on place. Click in the top left corner of your artboard. You can unzoom so that you get a idea about the size of the placed image, and then click on the lower right corner and bring it and make it up to the size of the artboard. Maybe we can make it a bit smaller from both the sides and then say align centrally and vertically. Now this is the transparent flower. So in the right side you can see that you have one layer, and that is the default layer, and the name of that layer is layer 1. So I will double click over here and give it the name as transparent flower. After that, now I have to fill this with different colors. So I want 3 different colors for the flowers and a fluorescent green color for the leaves. So in order to do that, what we will do is we will use the blob brush tool. So if you right click on the brush tool, you get the option to select the blob brush tool. Now we have to also select the color. So remember, you have to select the stroke color. So click on the stroke color, and you also have the swatches. So from the swatches, let us select the color as pink. You can see the color is changed to pink. Now I'm going to paint on it, and you can see it is painting on top of that black image, and the black image is getting overwritten. So I will press Ctrl Z twice to undo my creation, and then here in the toolbar you get one option, draw behind. So I select that draw behind, and now when I draw the image, you can see the blob brush is drawing it behind, is filling it behind, and your original image is getting saved. You can increase the size of the blob brush by pressing the right square bracket, and after that you can just color it nicely. You can reduce the size by pressing the left square bracket. So right now I'm just filling it nicely with the pink color, and the flower has got painted. Then for the second flower we will use the color as blue. So we use the blue color and we paint it on the second flower. Ensure that there are no white areas. If you want, you can increase the size of the blob brush. And then for this flower, we'll select the color as a light purple, or let's select orange. And then we are left with green color. So we'll select the fluorescent green color and paint in this area, this area, and this area. Same way we'll paint in this area and this area. Same way we'll paint in this area and this area, and finally this area and this area. So friends, hope using this project you have got some idea of how to use the blob brush effectively. So I would request you to open the same file, the transparent flower file, and practice this activity and make yourself comfortable with the blob brush tool. With this, we finish this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.